Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to assign a dead load, live load and a cladding load. So let's start the video. I have saved my model upon here. Just click on that, open the model file in ETEC 2016. So if you remember in our earlier video we have model 1 building, and in the same video we are going to assign the different kinds of load patterns. So let's look how to define how to assign a different dead load, live loads and a cladding load. Okay, so it will take some time to open it. Let's see. Yeah, it's open upon here. So if you remember right, in the last video we have designed this building, this 4-story building, right? This is a 4-story building. We have assigned all our material properties, our frame properties, beams, columns, slabs, everything we have learned how to define, how to provide in plan view. So in this video, let's first start with the dead load. First start with the cladding load. So for cladding load, you need to go first click on the 3D view. So we need to first click on assign, go to cell, go to frame load, go to distributed, and here on the name of load pattern dead, you need to assign the load, how much load you need to provide as a cladding. So if suppose I am using 0.2 kilonewton per meter, okay, then you need to hit the apply. No objects are selected to receive this assignment. The first thing you need to describe where you need to assign the cladding load. So first, for that, select the outer beam first, because cladding load will exist in the outer beams. For that, you need to go for plan. Just click these outer beams. Don't click the inner beams. Okay. And one more thing you need to decide first, as I have told you earlier. First look upon here. This is only for one story, but you need to apply for all the stories. So first select this all story option, then select outer beams. And in right hand side you can see all the beams of outer are all getting selected. Like this way you can select the outer beams. Okay. Then click on assign. Beam is a frame, so go to frame loads, then go to distributed, that is UDL load. Upon dead load, just give 0.2 kilonewton per meter, then hit the apply button, then hit the OK. Now you can see 0.2 kilonewton is applicable, is shown in all of this plan. You can check in story 1 also, in outer beam it is applied, story 2 it is story 3. Now go to on deform set. By hitting this button you can hide all these points. Okay. Now after assigning this auto cladding load, that was the auto cladding load, you need to give the auto cladding this function also you need to do auto draw cladding. So in auto draw cladding you need to use for both floors, its floor button, then you can click upon. Now on the right hand side on the 3D view you can see 0.2 kilonewton load is applied on all our outer beams, right? So let's again go to on deform shape now, and if you press on deform shape, this all load will gonna be hide. If you want to look at again, go to this function, display frame load design, because beam is the frame load, so that is beam comes under the frame. So click on this. On the dead load, because we have defined auto cladding load on the name of dead load only under the dead load. You can hit the applied button, click on OK. So you can see it. So first click on deform set. Now after defining the auto cladding load, now we have to go for this one, a dead load, right? So go to assign again, go to cell load. Now this is the cell load because dead load is applicable on slab. Go to uniform. So under the dead load, the load you can mention over here. Dead load can, suppose we are giving as 2 kilonewton, okay, and the direction is gravity, that is vertically downwards. No need to give here minus. The direction of it is gravity vertically downward. Hit on apply. Objects are selected to receive this assignment. Again, I forgot to do that. So before that, click the cell first. Before that cell, check upon here all studies. Click on slab. Don't hit any beam or columns. Okay. Now go to assign, go to cell load, go to uniform. Under dead 2 kilonewton, apply. Okay, you can see all the 2 kilonewton loads is applied. Next thing, what you need to do, again go to assign, go to cell load, go to uniform, and then live load. This dead and live load is by default. No need to assign, no need to give the load pattern in this. These two are automatically assigned by the intern. So the next thing, go to live load. I am giving here 4 kilonewton. This is also direction of gravity. Apply. Again you need to, sorry, the beam is selected mistakenly. Then select all these cells. Okay. Then go to assign, go to cell load, go to uniform, 4 kilonewton live load, apply. Okay. You can see in this also. This is cell load, this dead load, live load, whatever you want to see. Suppose if you want to see live load, live. Okay. 3D view also you can see 4 kilonewton is assigned on all live cells. So go to on deform.